As you know by now, I'm not a music reader and I have a lot of trouble reading music. Recently, I bought this app and I'm very happy with it. It's called Music Scanner. And what you do is basically you can, if you have a book or you have a music sheet, you can just scan it, scan several sheets, doesn't matter. And you can set the timing here so that it's the time that it's on there, 110 here, and I put it at 110. And you can point at anywhere you want and it will start playing for you. Yes, I'll stop it here, but if you notice, probably you'll think like it made some mistakes, and it did because the copy that I gave it was not very clear. So sometimes if you have a copy that some stuff is not clear, may read it badly. Like there's a slur and it doesn't read it, and so forth. So, but it's pretty good. It's very reasonably priced. I think I bought it for like 4.99, something like that, $5 basically, and it helps me basically listen to the music and play, especially with an ensemble of guitars because they give you like one part, and it's not the melody that you can just you can just remember the melody. It's basically part of it, a piece of it, and that way you can learn that piece only for yourself, so that when you get in an ensemble, you can play along with everybody else. It has helped me, and I've been playing guitar for 50 years, but I've never been able to read music well. And if you want to still play with an ensemble, this is a good way to tackle it. Thanks for watching.